Let's make some gravy. We're here at the gravy making station with Kristy.
Hi.
We got almost 2 cups of liquid from that with a little bit of fat, probably like a 1/4 cup of fat. We're keeping it. But we need a little bit more juice. You can add water. I just go with the chicken stock that I really like, just to fill up.
Are we trying to get
2-cup measurer?
2 cups? And are you straining this at all, or are you leaving?
I'm not straining it at all.
Okay.
We want to keep all of these little bits and bobs sitting in our gravy. It is going to make our gravy even better. It's all that flavor we rubbed on the turkey, all that garlic we stuffed in the turkey. It's good stuff. It's the good stuff. Okay, let's turn on the heat. Get yourself a nice wide pan that makes you feel good inside. This is a nice wide pan. It's got nice high sides to it. And you get some whisking action. You don't want something so big that you have to just like woo, whisk, 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 and you miss some of the corners to get those bits. So we're gonna restart. We could take the fat from the turkey or that butter and use it as part of our roux, but I like to just go with fresh butter to just know that I'm starting off with exactly the butter I need to compensate for the flour.
Okay.
So butter in.
What ratios are we using here?
1 to 1.
Okay.
So 3 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour.
And then 2 cups liquid.
And then 2 cups of liquid.
Which you can thin out.
Totally, yeah. I mean, don't thin it out, but you want a thick gravy.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, just do flour and butter. Some people do cornstarch. I just don't like it. It makes it so stodgy.
It's gluey.
It doesn't, yeah, it's gluey. It doesn't last the next day. So I just like the traditional flour butter mixture. You can toast the flour a little bit so you can get a lot of that flavor coming through from that delicious stock. Kristy will add the flour in while I whisk. Thank you.
Whoa.
Oh, she's spitting at me.
Jeez.
Opa!
Woohoo! How long do you like to cook your flour?
I love to cook it for a little bit over 30 seconds.
You can kind of smell once that like raw flour smell is gone.
And I'm on high heat here, medium high, so I know that this is going to toast up real quick. Always important step when you're cooking a roux too. Just cook your flour. It's not going to taste so starchy, so pasty, floury. All right. Oh yeah, can you smell it?
It's toastier now.
Toasty, maybe. All right, so we're ready to go in with our broth. If you want to slowly pour in for me, Kristy.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Here comes the magic. Here it comes. Ooh, with a slight red tinge
Yeah,
from the
it's going to be
paprika.
such a nice color.
Oh. It's going to start filling the room. When you add in hot stock like this, it's going to thicken pretty quickly, so have someone else do it while you whisk. It's a fun bonding activity.
We're having so much fun.
I'm bonding right now.
For sure.
This is great. Ooh, a little pumpkin-y, giving fall. It's giving fall. Oh. Oh, yeah. All right, you can go ahead and add the rest in.
Okay.
All that goodness. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, yeah. So now we just want to bring this up to a boil. Why don't you give it a pinch of salt for me?
Okay.
Give me a good pinch. Oh, yeah. My salt queen. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
We have tasting spoons and a fork. We don't need. Once we get to that thick part, we're going to give it a taste. We'll crack some pepper in there. Look at this amazing gravy we have created. It's got a little bit of that red tinge to it, but all gravy goodness. And look at, you can see it coats the back of the spoon. I draw a line through it. If that liquid in the top doesn't seep through the bottom, that means we're at a good viscosity. What's a good thinness to be at? All right, let's taste, huh?
Sounds good to me.
I'm making a mess.
That's all right.
Let's do this. Oh, liquid gold. Yum.
It's so good.
Thanksgiving. Yes, Thanksgiving. Okay, goodbye.
Cool. That's
It's giving Thanksgiving.
Yeah, that's the